Right, good afternoon. Welcome to my first video of hopefully some many. Today I'll be restoring headlights on my MGZT, and on the driver's side I'll be using T-cut headlight restoration kit. Be using 800 grit, 1500, 2000 and 2500 grit sanding paper for both sides, and on the passenger side I'll be using Meguiars one-step headlight restoration plus. As you can see, the headlights are very dull. I'm not sure you can see, but we're also quite crazed up here and around the edges. So before we start, I will mask and tape around the lights, protect the paintwork. Right, once you've masked round your bumper and your lights, protect it, you can proceed with your sandpapers. I've used 1800 grit. Make sure you get it nice and wet, go over it, dry it off. I've used kitchen towel. Always have a ready supply of kitchen towel with you, and then use various grades, get it down to the final one. So this is a 2500. It's a bit wet because it's a bit raining today. Before you start polishing, I can't hold the camera and polish at the same time, so go from hopefully an opaque but very smooth glass to crystal clear. Now, that's only taken me one pass, doing it by hand on a cloth and a quick buff. You can see the difference already. Not sure if you can quite see that. There's still a couple of bits and pieces where I need to get in with a bit more with my hand and the cream, but apart from that, it's not bad at all. Actually, the second pass, once again done by hand because it's a microfiber cloth with, you can see that, a headlight polishing compound. But what it also comes with is headlight restore sealant. So once you've polished it with this, you can then go to this to seal it in, make sure it doesn't craze, go yellow, and protects it from dirt and grime. But 2 passes, it looks a lot better than it used to do. Same as the other side, it looked like. Right, so we'll resume with the next headlight. So I'll get my 800 grit paper, so make sure it's very wet, and go side to side, not circles, long strokes, side to side. You can already see that thick yellow smudge coming off, and I've only done it a couple of seconds. Once you've done several passes over the 800 grit, get your tissue, wipe it all off, your excess water and dirt and grime. Check it over for patches, like here you still need to go a bit further. But once you're happy with your first pass, which I'll concentrate on the corner a little bit more. So them crazies are deep in the glass and not surface. So I'll go to the next one, next grit, which is 1500, and do the process over again. So once again, 1500 grit done. Wipe off the excess. So camera handles are quite pretty poor. As you can see, it's starting to look a lot better again. So time to do 2000. So I got over the 2000. Next step is to 2500, and then we can polish. So 2500 grit it is, nice and smooth, ready for the buffing with this. Right, as you can see, this is one pass of the Plastix Headlight, and it's a lot better than this side. So I'll go over it again once more for a definite result, and Marlo seems to like it as well. So final pass over, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, get any of the residue off, crystal clip. So I'm just going over left hand side, or driver side one with the Meguiars, and it's gone very clear. So I need to do it on the right hand or passenger side lights, so they're nice and clear. So both sides will need doing, just on the top there, but I'll do it a whole lot, get it nice and crystal, but that'll be my next video. Hopefully I haven't bored you too much, and hopefully see more of me soon.